You want to play tag? All right, here we go. Just gonna play tag. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get that birdie. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get that birdie.
Ричи. Доброе утро. Ричи. Ричи. Stop it. You stop. You're not getting it. You knock it off. You don't kick my teeth. Diesel! You're not hungry. You have a bowl full of food.
What? Hey, that's not yours. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! He's swimming! Oh my god! Look, it's like a dog.
Oh, he's gonna attack.
Oh my god, dude! This is my pole. Let go.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I don't like you anymore.
Kaydı.
Don't even think about it. Look how close that thing is to your head. You gonna get your head chopped off. You keep playing around. You jump into that fan if you want to. It's gonna be censored content on TikTok if you jump into that fan.
Cody, bark. Cody, bark. Bark. Yeah. Bark, guys, bark. 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 Cody, bark. 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 Who's that? Oh, Cody! Cody! Cody!
Big boy. You guys got a camera out?
Yeah.
Hey, big boy. Hey, bear. Hey, bear. Hey, bear.
Pit bulls are so mean, aren't they? Him and the rooster are best friends.
Being adopted? No, actually she's very sweet. Her sister Stella, on the other hand, we have a policy of not splitting up siblings.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy dog.
What the fuck is that fucking thing? What the fuck? Hello? Where? Chill. Scary. Yo, I'm gonna check his vibe. What are you? Yeah, what are you?
Oh my god. They gave him a shot of Dilaudid.
Hey, let me get a minute. Hey, let me get one too. Hey, let me hold one. Yeah, you get that right there. What the dog doing?
Hello, my baby.
Let's go! Polly, that's gross water!
Macaroni and the chicken strips.
Crow, look. Crow.
Hi. Hi. I know.
That's a big belly woof fan.
Jake, what are you doing? Hey! Hey!
Oh, you're gonna be nice now? You were so fucking mean. For what? You get her, Bubby. She bit mommy. She bit your mommy. She bit me. Bubby, she bit me. It hurt. What? No!
Are you gonna jump? Don't jump! Pussy. Oh, I'm sorry.
You are thicker than a snake. I love you.
Just kidding, he followed me downstairs. You are. I'm gonna sit on you.
Roly-Poly is mad. Should we let him out?
Excuse me. I'm so sorry.
Using Snapchat filters on yogurt. I almost caught my dog die on camera.
What are you looking for?
in her mouth.